Okay, a quick demonstration of how to export data from Quadratic AI to a CSV file. The first thing you want to do is you want to select all your data. Okay? Then you want to do a right click, download the CSV, and this will save the file to your download folder. Okay? Now we come over to our download folder, open the data, check, make sure we get the right number of rows. We do. Okay, good. Then let's convert this to an Excel table. Cancel. Then let's do a save as. Save as Excel workbook. Save. All right. Then convert to a Excel table. Okay. Save again. And that's all there is to it.